Today, you will learn how to save any web page as a PDF file using Microsoft Edge. And yes, it's 100% free. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now, visit the web page that you want to save as a PDF. Once the page is fully loaded, look at the top right corner of the browser. Click on the three dots. This is called Settings and More. From the menu, click on Print. You can also press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. It does the same thing. Now, the Print window will open on your screen. Here, find the Printer option. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the list, select Save as PDF. After that, click the Save button. Choose where you want to save the file on your computer, like desktop or documents, and click Save again. And that's it. Your web page is now saved as a PDF file. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy PDF-related tutorials. Thanks for watching.